Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Friday, July 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. And I don't know about you, but I am enjoying this air mass change. It is a much lower humidity type of air mass in place now than certainly what we had for the majority of June. A refreshing morning this morning in many spots, and tomorrow is even going to be cooler in most locations in terms of the low temperatures tomorrow morning. It will get warmer again for highs over the weekend, but we're going to keep those humidity levels on the low side all weekend long. Now, let me show you the radar, and I'm cutting this video during the 5 o'clock hour here on this Friday morning. There's been some showers and thunderstorms there moving from the upstate, actually dropping southwestward into northern Georgia. And then you get into the really soupy air down close to the Gulf Coast. Now, this very humid type of air mass that we were in for the majority of June is now suppressed down into this region. The drier air overspreading much of the eastern part of the country. You can see that in the dew point map this morning. And still quite muggy down along and close to the Gulf Coast, but you're looking at 50s for dew points. And I think as today unfolds, many spots around the Piedmont could see some 40s for dew point temperatures, so a very low humidity type of day for today. There's the reason why. Still this trough affecting the eastern seaboard, but this time of year you can't keep the humidity and the heat at bay for too long, and that'll begin to move back in here next week. But let's focus on the upcoming weekend. Here's today, Friday, a lot of sunshine, low to mid 80s for highs, very low levels of humidity, some mid to upper 50s for low temperatures tonight. Some record low temperatures could be challenged around, say, Charlotte and Raleigh early tomorrow morning. I think highs tomorrow, mid 80s, still low levels of humidity. Here's the 4th of July, getting a little hotter, probably up around 90 or 91 for a lot of our highs, but still very low levels of humidity. Considering it is, of course, July 4th there on Sunday. But it will get hotter and muggier with time next week. Just simply not a lot of day-to-day change. There is Monday, there's Tuesday, and what we're seeing in terms of the overall pattern is a frontal boundary off to our west, and this generally southerly flow settling in next week. And that's going to translate into the humidity levels on the increase, and high temperatures also, and low temperatures on the increase. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, we're probably seeing a lot of folks bumping up toward the mid-90s for highs, maybe as early as Monday or Tuesday. It'll certainly get hotter and muggier next week. All right, the tropics are quiet. Alex continues to cause a lot of rain in Mexico, parts of Texas. There are certainly no other signs of any tropical development across the Atlantic Basin, so the tropics should stay quiet for us, all weekend. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a safe Independence Day weekend. Be careful whether you're out on the lakes and the rivers, or if you're just having some fun on dry land, whatever the case may be. Be very safe and careful. Have a good weekend, and God bless.